Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Numbers and selecting a blank sheet or a template that matches the goal. This saves time. Once open, name the file and enable iCloud if you want cross-device access. Next, insert a table. Click the plus button and pick rows and columns. Make sure to set your date, time, or currency formats before entering data, because formats affect calculations and sorting. This first setup prevents rework and keeps formulas accurate as you proceed. Now you fill the table. Enter numbers, dates, or paste a CSV. Label header rows so references are clear. To calculate, type equals, then click cells or type A1 style references. Use functions such as sum, range, and average, range to aggregate. Once done, drag the fill handle to copy patterns or formulas across rows. Make named ranges for repeated use, and add conditional formatting to highlight outliers. Finish by reviewing formulas and results. Use the cell inspector to confirm formats and locked cells to prevent accidental edits. When ready to share, export via Share Export and pick Excel, PDF, or CSV. Check print layout and page break so output looks right. If numbers look off, inspect cell formats, convert text to numbers, and verify absolute versus relative references. Use $1 when you need a fixed reference. This quick troubleshooting will fix the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.